What's going on, guys? We just landed right now in Portugal, San Miguel. We just got here. We're just getting our suitcases right now, all our baggage, and we're gonna be heading out, I guess in a taxi or a cab to head down to the hotel. And you guys are coming along with us, guys, so stay tuned, all right? LEOPAZZO. And we're just arrived here at the car place, Mike Auto Rent-A-Car. That's where we are right now. We're getting the paperwork done to rent a car. I'm gonna probably pick up a standard one because I haven't drove stick in a while. We'll be cruising in this bad boy in the streets of Portugal in no time. What's going on, guys? We're down here by the port, by the beach. We're looking at some of these boats that go whale watching and dolphin watching. We're going to be taking one of these boats later on in the week. But right now we're eating at this restaurant right here behind me. It's a very well-known restaurant down here in Portugal, San Miguel. Just wanted to share it with you guys, so you guys, if you ever come down here, you guys can visit it and try it out yourself. I'm ordering seafood linguine, and the wife got some fish of the day and with some salad and whatnot. But we're just getting this vacation started, guys. Much appreciated. Thank you very much for tuning in. Much love. Go ahead and subscribe right now if you guys haven't subscribed already. Come along with me and let's see what we're gonna do next. What's going on, guys? We're back at it again. We finished some grocery shopping. We just bought a bunch of stuff. I wanted to show you guys the whip, the car I got here. Got a nice Nissan, brand new, 2019. So we're just taking a walk right now. We just got back to the house. We got to unload the groceries. We're just gonna grab a coffee from this close store here beside where we are. We'll show you guys the house, and we're gonna head to the beach and all that good stuff. I don't know about today, but later on, probably tomorrow. What's going on, guys? You know what it is, LEOPAZZO here. We're just down here in Portugal, San Miguel. We just took a drive down here to this mechanic shop, cruising in and out of the streets. It's so fun driving down these streets down here. It's kind of a little bit confusing, but it's a blast. It's just so fun, man. Driving standard, switching between gears, you know, driving somewhere I have no idea where the hell I'm going. Basically just people, my passengers, pointing out to me which way I need to go, or if I'm following the car in front of me. So guys, so far it's been a blast. This is day 2 in Portugal, San Miguel. We're gonna be heading down to the beach right now for the first time. Yesterday was a busy day. I got some sleep, I got some rest. We're all rested up now, and tonight, or today, right now, right after this, we're gonna be heading to the beach, guys. So stay tuned. You guys are coming along with us, LEOPAZZO TV. My whole town road is on a ride till I can't no more. Got the horses in the back.